Good morning. We're working today on sequencing numbers 6 through 10. Please take out pages 117 and 118 and a pencil, okay? So, this is similar to an activity we did a while back with our numbers 0 through 5. So they will either give us a number and we need to represent the number with objects, or they will give us objects that we need to count. So for the first box, we need to make 9 objects. The number 9 is here in the thing, so we're going to make 9 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 objects to represent the number 9. Here they've given us teddy bears. I need to count the teddy bears and write the correct number on the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 teddy bears, so I need to write the number 6. Coming down to the tools, I need to count the tools. There are so many tools, and they are a little confusing, so I want to make sure I mark them as I count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to write 10. Remember, 1 comes first, and we always write left to right, and then the 0. In this box, they've given me the number 8. I need to represent 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like I told you, I like to have a group of 4 on top of another group of 4 for my number 8. Finally, I have nesting dolls, so let's count the nesting dolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 nesting dolls, and in this picture I have 2 people. Alright, let's turn our page over to the back, and on the back what we're going to do is we are going to cut out the pictures or the boxes on the dotted line. We're going to trace the numbers, and then we're going to put the numbers in order. Hopefully you saved your number cards from earlier, and you can put them all in order from 0 to 10. From 0 to 10.